Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Finder. Today, we're diving deep into CodeSpy.ai, an AI tool that detects whether your code was written by a human or by AI. Sounds cool, right? If you want to check out CodeSpy.ai yourself, I've added a link in the description below. Just click it and explore it later after you finish watching this video. Let's jump straight into it. Once you log in to CodeSpy.ai, you'll land on a very clean and easy-to-navigate dashboard. You can start a new AI scan, view your saved reports, and even export your analysis results. Everything is simple and straightforward, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Now, let's head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a simple tic-tac-toe game in Java. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT generates the full Java code for us. Let's copy this entire code and head back to CodeSpy.ai. On the dashboard, we click on New AI Scan. Paste the code here. Notice that you can select from many major programming languages like Java, .NET, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and C++. Since our code is written in Java, we'll select Java and click Analyze. In just a few seconds, CodeSpy.ai detects the code with an impressive 98% confidence that it is fully AI generated. Honestly, that's amazing. Not only that, but it also generates a full report. Let's open it. The code that appears in red is highly predicted to be AI generated. The code in orange is less likely AI generated, but still possible. And the code in black is most likely written by a human. The visual clarity makes it super easy to understand where AI had a strong or weak influence. Now, let's try another example. Here, we have a mix: AI-generated and human-written code in Java. First, we copy the AI-generated code and again paste it into the new AI scan section of CodeSpy.ai. Click Analyze. And once again, the results show with 98% confidence that the code is AI-generated. Absolutely consistent and really impressive at catching AI fingerprints in code. Next, let's test the human-written code. We copy it, paste it into CodeSpy.ai, and hit Analyze. And the results are just as exciting. It shows only a 2% chance that the content you entered was written by an AI, and a massive 98% confidence that it was written by a human. This level of accuracy really proves how reliable CodeSpy.ai is. Another thing I love is that CodeSpy.ai automatically saves all your analysis in the Reports tab. Just click there, and you can see all your saved reports at any time. If you need to share or document your findings, you can also export everything into a CSV file with just one click. It's small touches like these that make CodeSpy.ai not just powerful, but super user-friendly too. Talking quickly about pricing, CodeSpy.ai offers different plans that gives you 1 scan per month. Perfect if you just want to try it out. For those who need more frequent scanning or advanced features like API access, they offer paid plans at reasonable prices. Definitely a worthy investment if you're serious about maintaining code quality and security in today's AI-driven world. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to AI Finder, and leave a comment telling me what you want us to cover next. Stay creative, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.